Hey there, all you stain-fighting enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stain removal, specifically those stubborn ink stains that seem to have a mind of their own. Fear not, because I'm about to walk you through the 3 essential steps to rescuing your beloved shirt from the clutches of ink. So grab a seat, and let's get ready to conquer these pesky stains. With the right combination of household ingredients and a little know-how, you can bid farewell to those stubborn marks. One such dynamic duo in the realm of ink stain removal is the powerful partnership of dishwashing soap and baking soda. Dishwashing soap is a versatile cleaning agent known for its ability to cut through grease and grime. It contains surfactants that help break down and lift away various substances, including ink. While baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a gentle abrasive that can be used to scrub away stains without damaging fabrics. It acts as a mild scouring agent, assisting in the physical removal of ink particles from the fabric surface. When baking soda and dish soap are combined, their effects are enhanced. Baking soda's abrasiveness, coupled with dish soap's surfactants, creates a dual-action approach to stain removal. Another possible solution in removing ink stains is hairspray, a humble product that often resides in our beauty arsenal but boasts surprising stain-fighting abilities. Hairspray has the ability to remove ink stains due to its high alcohol content and the unique chemical properties of alcohol. The science behind this lies in the solvent properties of alcohol and its interactions with the components of ink. As the alcohol in the hairspray interacts with the ink molecules start to detach from the fabric fibers. When you blot the stained area with a cloth, the alcohol carries away the dissolved ink particles. This transfer of ink from the fabric to the cloth is the key mechanism by which hairspray removes ink stains. Additionally, the physical action of blotting and rubbing with a cloth further assists in dislodging the ink particles from the fabric. The combination of alcohol's solvent action and the mechanical action of blotting work in tandem to break down and lift away the ink stain. After using hairspray to treat an ink stain, it's important to rinse the treated area under cold water. This step helps remove any residual hairspray and dislodged ink particles from the fabric. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Lastly, another fascinating solution that might work is the combination of toothpaste and vinegar. But how does it work? Toothpaste often contains mild abrasives that help in scrubbing away surface stains. The abrasive particles work to physically lift and loosen particles from the fabric fibers. Additionally, toothpaste contains some level of acidity, which aids in breaking down the bonds that hold the ink molecules together. While vinegar is known for its acidic nature, which can dissolve and weaken various substances, when combined with toothpaste, its acidity complements the abrasive action. The vinegar helps break down the ink structure, making it easier for the abrasive particles in toothpaste to work effectively. The proper procedure for this to be effective is to gently spread the vinegar and toothpaste mixture directly onto the stain. Ensure that the stained area is well covered with a thin layer of the paste. Allow the mixture to sit on the stain for about 15 to 30 minutes. This gives the vinegar and toothpaste ample time to work their magic on the stain molecules. As you bid farewell to those unsightly marks and embrace stain-free success, remember that your household items are more than meets the eye. They're your partners in conquering life's little accidents. Until next time, keep your fabrics vibrant, your spirits high, and your knowledge of practical science ever growing.